If you could change one thing in the SEO industry, what would it be?
I think that people should not guarantee most of the things, because I understand that clients want some guarantees, but for example, when I see situations when a client would ask me, can you guarantee ranking in top 3 for these 20 keywords? I can't. I'm not, I can't directly impact Google. And I feel that even when a person guarantees it, you basically can't be real SEO, knowledgeable and good SEO if you can say, I guarantee this. And I know that there are people that would love to guarantee, and then the clients end up with these people. And in most of the situations, these people are not the ones who do the work right. And then the client ends up even more frustrated. So that's one of the things that I change. Don't guarantee that you can't guarantee.